everyone, welcome back to my beauty channel. I am Anastasia Pereira and today I am doing a makeup on wonderful, charming model Katya. She has a truly angel appearance and naturally curly hair. It really inspires me a lot to create something festive, delicate and airy on her. I applied a cleanser and moisturizer on the skin behind the scenes and I start my makeup with an illuminating primer. My model has a very dignified skin color tone with a pinch of royal paleness and I want to highlight it as much as possible. This primer has some light golden shimmer in it, so it will totally do what I need and give the skin a wonderful glow, even the skin color, and give a comfortable feeling of additional hydration.
I'll be jealous just to see you feel another's lonely night. So I'm sending you a message through a broken side.
A tiny amount and the thinnest possible layer of a legendary foundation, Double Wear from Estee Lauder, but in a lighter concentration will make a great effect for the camera on the skin and will look great and natural in real life. Pay attention on the shape of my new brush. It's just a genius tool for blending thick creamy textures. It requires minimum amount of product and almost no effort, blends evenly in a few motions. I take a product right on the brush and start the motions that are sliding and pressing at the same time. Just have a look how great the foundation application in this technique works together with a primer. The skin looks so alive immediately, and even though the foundation has quite a heavy texture, you don't see it on the skin at all. Now I will brighten the area under the eyes with a peach corrector. As always, I go for my favorite application method. Apply the product locally with a flat synthetic brush and then blend everything and even out the color with a fluffy blending brush. Then I slightly touch the other areas in the center of the face with the same corrector, around the nose, on the chin and above the upper lip. And blending in some leftovers of the product under the brow and on the upper eyelid. Next, I am going for cream contouring, which is one of my favorite products. This is what I do really often for in-studio photo or video shootings. The reason is simple. In this case, I need a deeper color and more dimension of the face lines, because cameras and studio lights tend to fade the real colors out and make the face flatter on the image than it is in real life. Also, cream contouring is much easier to blend, in my opinion, than a powder one. Moreover, it's easier to blend the powder on top of it rather than without.
Sometimes winning's losing fast and moving past who is right and who is wrong. And sometimes leaving's all I've got, even when I know it's not.
And that's what I'm doing, duplicating my cream contouring with this awesome glowing contouring powder that I use almost in all my makeups. I am mixing warm and cool tones together to get a middle temperature of color. It will give the face a healthier look.
I love you.
the middle color, the highlighter, and apply on the top of the cheekbones. Look how great this color matches my model's wonderful skin.
Sometimes we both need our space, and it's the only way to feel the pull of you and me. It took our whole world going black, oh, and fading.
Now I will give her brows a bit fuller and more voluminous look with a pencil and a brow gel.
And we have is all that we need. It was always you. Can't help myself, I love you.
And now I'm moving on to the main accent of this makeup, the eyes. I'm applying cream eyeshadow in a pale pink metallic color as a base and blending the edges with a fluffy synthetic brush.
And if I was the sky, I'd be jealous just to see.
Then, defining the outer corner of the eye with this neutral light brown eyeshadow, applying it with a soft flat brush. With the same color, I am defining the outer side of the lower eyelid and connecting the color together. Next step, a beautiful golden rose color from this wonderful palette of eyeshadows that has 42 vibrant colors. I fill in the whole eyelid and connecting it to the previous color. To give the eyes even more definition, I am taking this darker, more intense brown and blend it in the outer corner, making it darker.
Who is right and who is wrong? And sometimes leaving's all I've got.
With my favorite at the moment, pencil, I will define the lash line and build a beautiful thin eyeliner wing.
Kind of talk to be more than I thought. If you were the stars and if I was the sky, I'd be jealous just to see you fit.
I'm making a draft of the wing with a thin angled brush.
You a message through a broken satellite. I love you, I love you, I love you. Sundown to sunrise.
And for the maximum definition, I'm adding some pencil on the lower waterline of the eye.
Sometimes we both need our space, and it's the only way.
After, I'm softening the liner, blending in a darker brown eyeshadow.
It took our whole world going black, oh, and fading fast.
And finally this wonderful, sparkling pigmented product on the center of the eye. To get such a bright, sparkling effect, I added some fixing spray on the brush before taking the product on it.
The sky, I'd be jealous just to see.
So this is our eye makeup. And to finalize it, I will curl the lashes, add some individuals in the outer corner of the eyes, and work everything through with a black mascara several times.
I love you, sundown to sunrise, sundown to sunrise. It was always you.
I finished the second eye and added some extra blush and lip gloss behind the scenes, and let's watch the final look.
I love you. If you were the stars and if I was the sky, I'd be jealous just to see you feel another's lonely night. So I'm sending you a message through a broken satellite. I love you. I love you. I love you. Sundown to sunrise. Oh, sundown to sunrise. Hey, sundown to sunrise.
So this is how I saw makeup for a holiday, Christmas or any time of party on my model. Please let me know in the comments, do you like it? And would you personally wear it? I thank you all for watching and wishing you a great week and beautiful holidays. Ciao, ciao guys!